This special dua is for my mum, my queen, my first love. Ya Allah, bless my mum with your endless love for the sacrifices she's made, the unconditional love she's shown, and the care she's given us. Oh Allah, please give my mum strength to face life's trials. Please answer her prayers during times of stress and difficulties. Guide us to honor her and to respect her for bearing us for 9 months, feeding us, clothing us, taking us to school, caring for us when we were sick and keeping us safe to grow up to be adults. Give me the means to give back 10 times what she gave us, but I know we can never repay her. Please brighten her face, her path, and her life, and let that light spread to everyone she loves and comes into contact with. Please protect my mum from harm and keep her safe. Wrap her in your coat of protection, and let your mercy and blessings fill her space. Oh Allah, grant her a long and healthy life, filled with laughter, love, and tranquility, and when her time comes to return to you, grant her a place in the highest ranks of paradise. Ameen.